broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO35 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The current time is 10:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here is the extended forecast. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 50s. Saturday night, showers likely in the evening. Lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Monday, sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Here is the Air Quality Index forecast from state environmental agencies. The New York City forecast Air Quality Index is 85. This is moderate. The Newark, New Jersey forecast Air Quality Index is 65.
67.
This is moderate. The extended coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. For Friday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet, occasionally to 5 feet. Wave detail, southeast 4 feet at 6 seconds and southeast 2 feet at 10 seconds. Chance of rain in the morning. For Friday night, east winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet, occasionally to 5 feet. Wave detail, southeast 3 feet at 6 seconds and southeast 2 feet at 11 seconds. For Saturday, south winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet, occasionally to 5 feet. For Saturday night, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 6 feet. Showers likely. For Sunday, west winds around 10 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 6 feet. And for Sunday night, southwest winds around 10 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet, occasionally to 5 feet. And 231 greater than 237 to 254 greater than 256 to 270 greater than 273 to 330 greater than 375 to 450 greater than 475 to 630 greater than 676, 300 500 Cape Cod, Massachusetts to Virginia Beach, Virginia National Marine Fisheries Service message National Weather Service Eastern Region Headquarters Bohemia, New York 4:30 p.m. Wednesday, November 19th, 2025. Attention, mandatory speed restrictions of 10 knots for vessels 65 feet or longer
Don't
are in
worry,
effect
the
in
ER10
specific areas
has a
from
wrong time. I'll
Massachusetts to
fix it
Florida
soon.
to protect North Atlantic right whales. Voluntary speed reduction zones may also be in effect where right whales have been detected. All mariners and recreational boaters are requested to route around these areas or transit through them at 10 knots or less. Consult broadcast notice to mariners, NAVTEX, and local notice to mariners for more information. Please report sightings of dead, injured, or entangled whales to 866-755-6622 or to the United States Coast Guard on Channel 16. Visit www.pfizer.gov and search right whale speed rule to learn more and sign up for notifications about right whale zones. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect through this afternoon. For today, west winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming north late this morning and early afternoon, then becoming east around 5 knots late. Seas 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 6 feet. Wave detail, southeast 4 feet at 8 seconds. Patchy fog early this morning. Chance of rain early. Slight chance of rain late this morning. Slight chance of rain late. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles early this morning. For tonight, east winds around 5 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet, occasionally to 5 feet.
1103.
Wave detail, southeast 4 feet at 8 seconds. Patchy fog. Chance of rain after.
Yes, here we go.
Checking back in on Maine, we just received a report of 2.3 inches of snow that fell in
The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station code 35 from New York City.
Quote.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in southeast New York: Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. In northern and central New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut: Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test.